My name is Robin and this is my channel. I am so excited. It is a brand new box to my channel, but it's not a brand new subscription to my channel. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you like the content and you like my channel. And hit that notification button so that you get notified of all my future videos, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, I've got some great new boxes to my channel, so I hope you let me try this again. So I appreciate your loyalty to my channel, and I can't wait for you to see what's new to my channel as well. So you want to see what I have? This is by a company called Look Fantastic. I think they're out of the UK, and they have a monthly subscription box, and I think it's like $19, and it's full of amazing products. You get to try them so that if you like them, you can order the full size. So they're more of a sample size, kind of like an Allure or the old Sephora Play. So they're, about that size, and there's about 5, maybe 6 of them. So that way, they sometimes give you coupons in them. But I kind of stopped on my sample size because I just have so many products. But I do love to watch YouTubers that look fantastic. And I was watching one YouTuber, and this had to be about a month ago. And I guess, correct me if I'm wrong, she was saying that Mother's Day in Europe falls different than the Mother's Day here in the US. And the Mother's Day was like a month ago. And I didn't actually check to see what that was true, but I'm sure she was correct. So she got a Look Fantastic Mother's Day. And I don't know if they still have them. They had them at the time because, of course, it wasn't Mother's Day here in the US. So I quickly ordered one. Look at how beautiful the box is alone, and it had some great products. And I want to say it was like $65. And I will leave her channel below. I haven't seen her post recently, but a lot of the regular YouTubers I watch, they don't always come up on my channel. Sometimes I have to search for them. So let's get into this box. It just seemed amazing. So I don't get the regular Look Fantastic, but I know they had like an Easter egg. I didn't get that one because I had watched I watched like the last year's one, and there really wasn't a lot of the products in there that I would use. But this one I had never seen before. And it says, "To the world, they are your mothers. To you, they are the world." And then it's got LF, hashtag LF Beauty Box. So what a great thing that is. And it got shook up a little bit, but look at all the goodies inside that box. So let's get into it. I'm a righty, so I got to put it on my right side. And I don't know, oh, there might be a card. So there is a card with all the products in here. So I'm not sure what order I'm going to pull them out. But the first thing is we have all our blinds closed because we have the air on, and it's like 100 degrees here. So the man is going to kill me if I opened up too many blinds. It's by Delilah. Define Super Eye Contour Balm. So, oh, hold on. It is the Delilah Define Supreme Eye Contour Balm, and in the UK, it's worth 61 lira, specially formulated to improve the appearance of fine lines, crow's feet, and dark circles. This highly concentrated Gerlique eye balm defines luxury beauty. And it has, this is the size, get the front, and it's got this little ball, so you must dip it in here and then you kind of rub it all over. So that's kind of nice. And the packaging came, let me see if I can do this. So it had the little space to stick the little ball thing in there. So it's very elegant. So I definitely will try this. So that's worth 61 lira. And the next thing is Indulge Cowshed Blissful Bath and Shower Gel. And I cannot get too many shower gels. Let's see if it might be sealed up. Nope. Oh my gosh. This smells good. And this is 10.14 ounces. And as I said, it smells delish. And it was the 5th item in the box. And kind of a weird name, Cowshed. And it's worth 22 lira. Madagascar Yin Yang Moroccan Rose and Indian Palmarosa combined for an uplifting scent in this Cowshed Balm and Shower Gel. So that smells very nice. And the next thing, oh my goodness. Neom Organic London Feel Refreshed Scented Candle. Boost your energy. I just have to show you the size of this. And you know I love my candles. There's a little card in here. I'm going to take it out. It's a problem when you get these kind of beauty boxes. You forget there's other people in the room and you can just smell all day. So this is what the candle looks like, and please trust me on how this smells. It does have a lemony smell to it, and I love to say that I will burn it when I take a bath or a shower, but I'm actually going to burn it, I think, today. With all the craziness that's going on and the fact that I have to have my blinds closed, this is kind of, it'll definitely be a feel-good candle. And it was the 6th item in the box, and it's worth 32. Part of Neom scent to boost your energy range. To boost your energy range, the Feel Refresh scent combines 24 essential oils, including scillion, lemon, and fresh basil to invigorate the body and sharpen the mind. Ugh, yes, and it will. So that was the first 3 things, and I can tell you I loved them all. And then, I don't even know what this is, but look at the packaging on that. And this is by Agora Time Filler. Oh, there's definitely not enough of this, I can tell you right now. Let's see if this is, oh, it's got a seal on it. But I'm thinking it obviously goes on your face, because if it went on your body, there's definitely not to fill the bod. And This is Agora Time Filler Cream, 15 milligrams, worth $18.60. Years of anti-aging research has ensured that regular use of this Agora cream reduces the appearance of wrinkles for a more revitalized and younger looking complexion. Formulated with tripeptide and amino acid that works to rebuild deteriorating skin. This cream brings both instant and long-term results. So I didn't read the directions. I don't even think there's directions. Oh yeah, there's directions. So you probably just put it on before a moisturizer or as a moisturizer, but I'm loving this jar. So this looks like it's an all skincare type of box, so that's what I'm also loving about it. And look at this cute little thing. It's got a net. Is it a perfume? It's a type of spray. Let's see what that is. This is the first thing in the box. Espa Optimal Skin Pro Serum. For the ultimate skin radiance, look no further than this Espa Serum. Intensely nourishing and infused with an abundance of ingredients to hydrate and enhance your skin. Neom oil and sunflower concentrate replenish. White lupin smooths and turmeric brings a natural radiance to your complexion. So this is what it looks like, and I'm definitely going to use it. The directions are on the back. After cleansing and toning, warm a few drops into your palms and cup hands over face to inhale the aroma. Oh, it must smell awesome. So yes, definitely gonna try that. And this retails for 51 euros. I kept saying liras. What's a lira? It's euros. Yeah, it's the heat. The heat is getting to me. And then there's this huge, see the size of that? This is Aurilia Probiotic Skincare Miracle Cleanser with chamomile, eucalyptus, rosemary, and bergamot. And it's 120 milligrams. This is huge. And the packaging is so elegant. So if you were going to gift it, this makes a very nice gift. Oh my God, this bottle is so heavy. Here is the bottle, and there is a cloth in here. Wow. If you can see the cloth. So that is nice. It might be sealed. I just want to smell it. Okay, maybe not. Oh. Okay. This is the consistency, and I'm just going to, you know, you're not supposed to go directly with your hands, but I wanted to try it. And it goes on very light. And my hands are so dry from washing. And I don't know if you can see, I put some on, but the smell, that smell, and this is, oops, backwards, and this is the cleanser. So no, whatever I am using as my cleanser, it is now on the back burner because I am going to try this cleanser. I have to say, all these products look so elegant. And this is the third thing in the box. This is the Arella Probiotic Skincare Miracle Cleanser, and it is worth, again, in euro, $42. Glidely, effortlessly over the skin, this gentle cleanser works to lift away dirt and impurities to reveal a clean, luminous complexion beneath. Massage over dry skin to see makeup melt away and remove using the antibacterial muslin cloth included for gentle exfoliation. Wow, this is great. I haven't seen anything like this before. So there should be one more item in the box, and there is. And this is a Color Intense Cream Lipstick, Delilah, and it is the color Flirt. Okay, I have to give this a 5 cactus. Everything in the box is definitely usable. This is the lipstick. The container is very pretty. And I hope you guys can see the color. And that's definitely usable. I have a lipstick on, or I would have tried it. Wow. Just a very natural color. So we have 7 items in the box, and the Delilah Color Intense Cream Lipstick in Flirt is worth 24 euro. Get an intense pigment in just one swipe with this Delilah lipstick. Specially formulated to bring a matte finish while still feeling soft and creamy. That will last for hours. Okay, so that's everything. And then at the bottom, and this would make a great, to keep some of your products in. So let me know what you thought of it. This is the Mother's Day collection by Look Fantastic. I am going to leave the link of the sweet woman that I got this off of, because I remember she's just so sweet. And I watched this, as I said, over a month ago, because she said it was Mother's Day over in Europe. And I'm pretty sure it was the same products. I don't remember. And then I'll also leave the link for Look Fantastic. I don't think there was a discount code, but I will look up and see what I paid and check and see if they have any more. But we got this beautiful cleanser. I mean, this jar is so heavy, and the smell with that little cloth and the serum. Did I try to open it? I'm not going to try to open it because I'll spill it. But everything was wrapped so nice. The lipstick in the color Flirt. And then we have the eye contour balm, and I can't wait to try that because it came with that nice tool, and of course I have those. And I will definitely put this in my shower. I'm definitely going to try the face wrinkle and this candle as soon as I finish filming. I'm gonna light this. I'm just hoping it just smells up the whole house, because they said we have the air on, everything is dark, and this will smell good. So as always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are staying safe and looking forward to your states opening soon. So have an awesome day.